Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to do the houndstooth stitch. So you're going to take your main yarn over, make a loop and chain 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then you're going to add another one, so 17. You're going to begin with a single crochet, so onto the first stitch make a single crochet. On the next one you make a double crochet. On the third one you make a single crochet. On the fourth one a double crochet. So you're going to alternate the single and the double crochet until the end. So we are at the end and we are having a double crochet. So you are going to use the other type of yarn to complete the double crochet. So pull through, then chain 1, turn your work. So we are going to be carrying along this other yarn, so you're going to be moving with it. See how I align it on my piece. Okay, so since the last stitch was a double crochet, we start with a single crochet. You're going to continue moving with your main yarn. So after a single crochet, a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So I'll find you at the end of this row. Our last stitch is going to be a double crochet. You have 2 strands left, so you pick over your main color of yarn, pull through, chain 1, turn your work. If we are using these two yarns, you are going to also carry this one across the row. So since we completed with a double crochet, we begin with a single crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So what you're going to see is on top of the double crochet you make a single crochet, on top of the single crochet you make a double crochet. So let's continue. The last stitch was a double crochet, so we have a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. So continue until the end of the row. You can see a certain pattern is forming up. On the other side you have a pattern like a butterfly. So let's complete this row. So we have a double crochet, then pull through, chain one, turn your work. So we are going to repeat this. So you're going to be carrying along your other piece of yarn. So we begin with a single crochet, then double crochet. I'll meet you at the end of this row. One thing you'll notice on this yellow yarn row, we have a single crochet. On top of it we are having a double crochet so as to form the houndstooth stitch. So this is the pattern we are getting. It's a houndstooth stitch. You can either have it this way or you can have it the other way, where you have a pattern forming like a butterfly. Yeah, that's it. See you on the next one.